Hey there, friends of the Hanging with Herky crew. So here's what's going on today. I got a little project going on. Just thought, hey, I give my friend Charles Moman a shout out. He hooked me up with some a lighting kit from Nilight, and I thought I'd just make just a quick video of me putting it on the camper. Now, these lights are not really to use for me personally. They're not to use at the campground and things like that. We kind of like the dark and we like to look at the sky, but we've been halfway thinking about, we have this Runaway camper, and we have a pretty cool adventure van. It's a 1999 Astro van that we've tricked out, and those that watch the channel know, we've been everywhere in this thing. There's a couple local charity car shows in our town that we'd like to participate this year. So one of the things we're going to do is we're going to bring the camper and the van to the car show, kind of show it off. And in the evenings, we thought, man, it'd look really cool if we had some ground effect lighting on there. So that's what the project is today. We're going to put this lighting on here, so when we take it to car shows, we are the cool kids on the block. So, hey, let me show you this kit. So the kit comes in a nice little box here, and it's got these LED strips of lighting. It's all 12 volt, right? So it comes with a cigarette lighter plug that you can put with a switch on there that you can do it, turn it off and on. So I don't know that I'm going to put all these strips under the camper, but I am going to put some of them. One thing I thought was cool is it comes with these little clips, so we should be able to screw those to the bottom of the camper. We have a remote control, zip ties, and then all the cabling we need. So inside the camper here, I have an EcoFlow river unit that we just use to run the TV and some things inside the camper when we are not plugged in. So my plan is to plug these lights into that, and it should last for a long time. So alrighty, let's get started on this project. Okay, here we are underneath the trailer. I think you can see that it's pretty dirty underneath here. Keep in mind, we went to Alaska and this was covered in mud. I have washed this a few times underneath here, and actually the axle and that I've sanded and repainted, but have not totally washed this. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit of scrubbing on this first and get this cleaned up there first before I begin. So pause here a minute while I do some cleaning. You don't want to watch me clean, but that's what we're going to do. All right, got a little bit of mud washed off. It's not going to be perfect, that's for sure. So trying to decide. Oh, by the way, I just got the front mud wiped off the front half. I'm going to go back and do the other half when I get done. So trying to decide how to lay this out. It comes with a wiring harness, so basically you got to have a central place to branch off from, and then from there you can wire it up. So I think what I'm going to do is run the wiring harnesses down the center, and then have those going out to the back and to the front from there, and see how that works out. All right, we got the first one mounted up, so it's pretty easy. They have some double back tape on there. Unfortunately, I can't hold the camera and put this in at the same time, so I have to show you after the fact. So what I done was, the lights have a double back tape on there. You peel those off, stick it to the underside, and then you can put the clips on to hold it. So I'm gonna put these right at the cross braces underneath here. You can see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have 4 strips. So that's how I'm gonna stagger them out here. Just thought I'd take a pause here and show you what I got so far. Okay, there we go. I spent maybe an hour putting these all underneath here, and I have another kit I'm gonna put on the van later on, maybe get it out today yet. So I've got it wired in. Let me show you here. If you go around the other side here, I've got everything all just wired into this EcoFlow river. and you can turn it off and on. There's the remote. Nothing fancy, didn't do any hard wiring. I already had a hole underneath the camper that I was able to fish everything through, so didn't have to drill any new holes. Let's show you what's underneath here. So there you go. So what I did was I mounted these behind. Still got to tie another wire tie on that, but I wired these behind these support joists here, hoping that any rocks that would come up, it's being on the back side of them, of the direction of travel, it would make a difference. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've got them all set here. They actually change colors, so you can see, you can go red, green, blue, white, orange, yellow, cyan, purple, and then they've got some different, type of they called it a jump pattern. I don't see myself using that. That'll make me sick, actually. but anyway, yeah, it's pretty cool. I think what we're gonna do though is, we're gonna stick with one color. And like I had said before, this is not for camping. This is mainly when we're gonna put our truck or adventure rig into some car shows, and we thought it would look pretty cool in the evening to have that in there. So anyway, that's how it worked out. Let me go topside. I'm going to show you this kit. So this is what it looks like when you get the kit. You got the wiring harness. You can do cigarette lighter plug, or you can wire it directly into the battery, however you want to do it. The remote, and then the wire kits themselves. There is a nice little instruction here from Nilight. You can scan the QR code and get some technical help if you need that. It's kind of funny is I couldn't find this because I only opened up one box, and everything was in the second box. I had to text Charles and ask him, but here's the directions. It comes, and as you can see, it's got the double back tape, and you can put cable ties, or you can put straps on there, either one. They show it so there's 3-foot bars and 4-foot bars, so you can put 3 foot across and 4 down the center on your car. The way I have them mounted, I just have them, the 4 foot's in the center and the 3 foot's on the end underneath the Runaway. So hey, that's it. So that's it for that. Just want to say thanks to Nilight for providing this nice little kit for me, and yeah, maybe it'll help us out at some car shows here if we get to it. That's what the plan is. But hey, thanks for watching. We always appreciate it. I'm gonna put these on the van in probably a couple days, and maybe we'll have another video of us with both things together. So all right, there you go. All right, everybody, this is the moment everybody's been waiting for. I'm back outside after dark. We've got the underlighting all wired up, and I'm going to step back and show you, but I think it turned out pretty cool. So take a look at this. Let's shut the door and figure it out. So there's the underlighting all set up, and you got different colors. There's red and green. This is like a blue. I think that's cyan. There's white. And so anyway, I think it turned out pretty good. I was worried it was going to be overpowering, but it's really not overpowering. It actually looks pretty good. So next time when we show our camper at a show, we have it all under lighting. So hey, I hope you enjoyed this project. And who knows, maybe you can do it to your Runaway too. So thanks for watching. Bye now.